Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment based on using not XPath function in XPath expressions. This concept I have already explained in the previous session. By using that knowledge, you need to solve this single challenge that is mentioned here as part of this assignment. Now let me explain about this assignment and how to solve this challenge as part of this assignment in a detailed manner for you. So for solving this assignment, you need to go to this website. Okay, you need to open the browser and go to this website where you need to search for Internet Hero Ku app. And in the search results, you'll get this link. Click on this link, the Internet Hero Ku app link, and you'll be taken to this web page. So what do you see on this website page? There are a lot of hyperlinks, right? From here, starting from here to here, a lot of hyperlinks are on the page. Now, as part of this challenge, to solve this assignment, you need to solve this challenge, right? As part of this challenge, what you need to do? You need to locate all the hyperlinks on the page. On this website page, you need to locate every hyperlink, but except broken links hyperlink, okay? Except this broken links hyperlink, remaining all hyperlinks you need to locate. For doing so, you need to write an XPath expression, okay? To locate all the hyperlinks except this broken images hyperlink, you need to write an XPath expression which actually uses not XPath function. By using this not XPath function in XPath expressions, you need to write an XPath expression which locates all the hyperlinks except this broken images hyperlink. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.